Hey explorers, want to make your English sound more dynamic and action packed? Let's turn those basic action verbs into powerful alternatives. Make, create. She will create a beautiful design for the new marketing campaign. Do, accomplish. He worked hard to accomplish all the tasks on his to do list. Go, venture. They decided to venture into the unknown, exploring new possibilities. Help, facilitate. This new tool will facilitate faster communication across departments. Think, contemplate. She spent hours contemplating the decision before giving her final answer. Start using these action packed words and level up your English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.